During the printing on your duplicator i3 Plus, if you feel the filament doesn't extrude and you hear a clicking sound, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can check where the issue coming from. So what you need to do is just first remove the fan from the extruder and release the stepper motor. And what you need to check first is this knob, whether it is loose or not. So you can make sure that shouldn't be loose. And if the issue is not this one, then you have to check this gear here with the rail actually which feeds the filament. So you have to make sure they are fit. Sometimes the gear loses and goes back and they are not match and fit together, and then that actually doesn't extrude the filament. So what you need to do, just you need to open the this screw right on the knob, and you need, as you see, there is a set screw here, and if it is a bit close to the stepper motor or is just a bit far, what you need to do, just loosen this set screw and then move it a little bit. As you see, you can move it, and then you have to tighten the set screw and then put them back together. And the knob, and just make sure they are fit, as you see, and the gear and the rail, they are fit and match, and then it can help the extrude the filament. Just screw back the bolt and make sure it is not loose and not too tight, and then you can put back the extruder motor right on the printer.